Have you ever pondered the intricate workings of trading? Ever found yourself captivated by the dynamic dance of numbers and trends? Today, we unravel the mystery of a fundamental concept in trading, known as the smart money concept, or SMC for short. Imagine a vast ocean with currents flowing and waves crashing. In this vast expanse, the smart money acts like the ocean currents, unseen but powerful, directing the flow of smaller waves. These currents, in the world of trading, are the big players: institutional investors, hedge funds, and large financial institutions. They hold the power to move markets in their desired direction. The smart money concept is based on this very principle. It is about following these big players, these smart money market movers. It's like swimming along with the currents rather than against them. It's about identifying where the smart money is moving and aligning your trades in that direction. But how does one identify where the smart money is flowing? The answer lies in understanding market trends, volume analysis, and price action. When these big players make their move, they leave behind traces: high-volume trading, large price swings, or sudden shifts in market trends. Spotting these signs is the key to successful trading using the smart money concept. Now let's delve a little deeper into this concept. The first step is to understand the market trend. Is the market bullish, showing signs of upward movement? Or is it bearish, indicating potential downward trends? Once you've identified the trend, the next step is to find the entry point. This is where volume analysis comes in. High trading volumes often indicate the presence of smart money. Spotting these high-volume areas can provide potential entry points for your trades. But remember, the smart money concept is not a foolproof strategy. It requires a keen eye, quick thinking, and the ability to adapt to ever-changing market conditions. It's a skill that comes with practice and experience. In summary, the smart money concept is about identifying and following the big players in the market. It involves understanding market trends, analyzing trading volumes, and finding the right entry points. With practice and a keen understanding of market dynamics, this concept could be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. So as the curtain falls on this discussion, we hope that the smart money concept now stands demystified and accessible. Remember, the world of trading is an ocean, and with the right knowledge, you too can navigate its currents with confidence. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights into the world of trading.